first. Sorry.
I don't think I ever really thought about what I wanted to do forever until I was like 20, 21. I just realized I had an opportunity and some people around me just gave me that chance. As far as where I think I'll see myself in the future is, you know, I want to do everything I possibly can to help this sport. Like, I want to have someone who's going to push me really, really hard, and the best way to do that is give everything I can back, right?
My experience was a little different than Joel's, meaning from the standpoint of as a young kid, I was very focused on, hey, I want to be good at this. I want to be great at this. So much so with nothing to show for it, really. I think that people thought I was delusional. You know, I wasn't a very good junior. But in my mind, I was always on that path. And the third pro tournament I ever did, which was the first one I ever did double cuts, I won that tournament. It was as much a surprise to myself to all of a sudden, hey, I do belong here. I can run with these guys. It went from this idea of I just want to do it once to I don't ever want to give this up. What is something that you would tell your younger self, like going into a competition or into a high pressure situation?
Same thing I do now is just enjoy it. Like, I feel like when you do that, whether it goes right or wrong, if you have fun and you do it your own way and the way you want to do it, you can fail, but you're never really going to actually fail, right?
I've heard you talk about that, about I'm just going to go and have fun with it. And in my mind, is jumping fun? Well, yes, but not at the level that we're doing it, right? But I think I understand that what's fun to you is all in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going for it.
Yeah.
Like, not laying up.
I like it.